Hey there, fellow bakers and bread lovers. Today, we're embarking on a delicious journey to discover the best bread machines on the market. From crispy crusts to fluffy insides, we've got the scoop on which machines will elevate your home baking experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, stick around as we knead through the options to find your perfect match. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Digital Bread Maker. While the Hamilton Beach Home Baker may not boast the same robust construction as pricier counterparts, our experience revealed its ability to produce delectable bread with a perfect balance of a crisp crust and chewy texture, reminiscent of homemade delights, equipped with preset options for various bread types, cakes, and jams. This machine accommodates both 2-pound and 1.5-pound loaves using the same pan and paddle. However, advanced bakers may find its limitation of 12 preset settings without customizable options somewhat restrictive. In our testing, the home baker demonstrated commendable performance, yielding a fluffy sandwich-style white bread and evenly baked banana bread based on the provided manual recipes. The inclusion of variations for both loaf sizes in the recipes proved particularly useful. It's worth noting, though, that recipes for banana bread, cornbread, and cakes recommend boxed mixes, an unconventional choice that deviates from the machine's primary purpose. While cleaning the pan and paddle was generally trouble-free, some flour residue was left behind, and there was slight stickiness with the banana bread, necessitating a 1-hour soak to address. Pros. Produces fluffy, evenly baked bread. Multifunctional. 2 different loaf sizes. This is very easy to use. Cons. Pan requires soaking to clean. Number 2. Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker. Offering the convenience of full-size loaves while minimizing countertop space, the Cuisinart Compact is an ideal choice for compact kitchens or crowded counters. Weighing just over 10 pounds, this bread machine features a sleek stainless steel design that not only saves space but also allows easy removal for storage elsewhere. The Cuisinart Compact features a diverse range of 12 cooking programs and offers 3 crust shade options: light, medium, dark. Its versatility spans gluten-free bread, jams, sauces, cake, and more. While it claims to handle up to a 2-pound loaf, our experience revealed that larger dough batches rose into the lid and then deflated, prompting a recommendation to stick to 1.5-pound recipes. This bread maker won our favor for its user-friendly design, marked by an intuitive and clear control panel. The white bread produced was evenly browned and delightfully airy, while the banana bread emerged soft and golden brown, effortlessly releasing from the pan. However, one drawback of the Cuisinart's compact size is the absence of insulation, causing the exterior to become quite hot during the baking process. Pros. Even browning and good aeration. Easy to use and clean. 12 programs and 3 crust settings. Keep a warm post-baking function. Cons. Can't always handle a 2-pound loaf. Number 3. KBS Pro MBF 010 Stainless Steel Bread Machine. The KBS Large MBF 010 earned high marks across various criteria in the production of 2 distinct loaves, impressing with their appealing color, well-defined shape, and unanimous favoritism from our blind taste tester panel. Notably, these loaves exhibited a delightful softness with the necessary structural integrity for sandwich assembly, complemented by perfectly browned crusts that harmonized seamlessly with the bread's taste and texture, setting it apart from many counterparts. The KBS Large is one of only 2 models equipped with an automatic fruit and nut dispenser, a feature that proved exceptionally effective. However, enthusiasts of an information-rich display screen might find this model particularly appealing. Despite some small text, it remains readable at an appropriate distance. With an impressive array of 17 functions, this machine excels in consistently producing delicious traditional sandwich bread, making it an excellent choice for those seeking such outcomes. It's crucial to note that, while effective, the KBS Large is more intricate than some recommended models, requiring a bit of trial and error to master. Weighing nearly 15 pounds, it leans towards the heavier side, potentially posing challenges when moving it in and out of storage. Number 4. Oster ExpressBake 2-pound Bread Maker. Compact and budget-friendly, the Oster ExpressBake Bread Maker weighs a mere 8 pounds and measures 12 by 11 by 11 inches, offering an accessible entry into the world of bread machine baking. The user-friendly large LED display features 12 presets, making it an excellent choice for beginners on a budget. While lacking a specific gluten-free setting, this machine supports a variety of other bread types, featuring an express bake 60-minute option and a convenient 13-hour delay start function for hassle-free baking. In our testing, the Oster demonstrated moderate performance. It effectively distributed mix-ins during banana bread preparation, and the whole wheat bread boasted a commendable crust. Cleanup was relatively easy, thanks to the non-stick basket that minimized dried flour residue. However, the small, somewhat challenging buttons and occasional plasticky or burning odors detracted from the overall experience. While still a recommended option, users might consider a potential upgrade in the future. Notably, this machine does not include a gluten-free setting, making it less suitable for individuals avoiding gluten. What we love: affordable, evenly distributes dough and mix-ins, good for beginners. What we don't love: plastic smell can seep into bread. Number 5. Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. Anyone who takes home baking seriously will appreciate all the features and options packed into this Zojirushi bread maker, and its performance during testing made it our best overall pick. It has 15 different pre-programmed courses, including a wide variety of bread, each with the choice of light, medium, or dark crust, but you can also create your own custom programs. This machine has 2 kneading paddles to make sure no bits of flour are left unmixed, and it has a 13-hour delay timer so you can wake up to hot, fresh bread for breakfast. A large window even lets you check the progress of your bread as it bakes. We tried 3 basic bread recipes with this model, and they all turned out perfectly. Even when we strayed from recipes, the end result was consistent. We started adding different flours, changing the amount of butter, and even mixing the ingredients in a different order. Each time, the finished loaf came out looking good, with a nice texture. This is a high-end machine with a price to match, though, so it might not be the best option for casual bakers or novices who aren't sure how much use they'll get out of a bread maker. Pros: nearly flawless results. Heated top for even browning. Cons: expensive.